Oh, Vitala, goddess of life and love. I have tried to live righteously following your teachings. Do not suck vigor from the unwilling. But all the men in this hamlet are married and sexually experienced, and subsiding on their charity has brought me to a state of malnutrition. I fear that if I do not raw dog fuck a middle-aged perma-virgin soon, I will not survive the winter. I tried my best, Vitala. Was I doomed from the start? Was I foolish to think that a succubus could live as a woman of faith?
Where are we? This isn't the Tokiosaki Habura area.
We must have crashed into another world. It appears we have been isekai'd.
Nani? You mean just like in our animes? How we get to the Yu-Gi-Oh! Tournament if we're stuck in this dimension?
Damn it, Terrence! Forget about the trading card game for a moment. This is our chance to build a lolly catgirl harem.
I must buy a 1:60 scale perfect grade MS-06F Saku 2
Could
model
this be?
kit. No matter the cost.
Where are the maid cafes? Will they spit in my food if I pay extra?
Thank you. Oh, thank you. It's a miracle. Merry Christmas, and God bless everyone.